Hello everyone and welcome to my channel AW Programming and Lectures. In this series of lecture, we will cover programs on various topics covered in C lecture series. You guys can check out my page and I'll also provide its link in the description. So this series will be based on the series C and we will try to cover programming part on each topic in that series. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So our first problem will be to find sum of 4-digit number with the help of operators. So before we begin to discuss the solution, one thing I would like to mention is that if you guys are beginners, please make sure you use Turbo C for practicing programming. Because if you don't use any of the IDE, then everything is to be taken care by you, like inverted commas, parentheses, braces. And once you have done enough practice, do switch to IDEs as they help a lot. Now let's talk about the solution. Now let's write our code. First we'll write hashtag include stdio.h, then we'll write hashtag include .h. These are known as header files, and this is known as stdio.h is known as standard input output, and conio is known as control input output. So next we write void main, and then here we perform our code which we want to execute. But since I am using an IDE, I'll write int over here and make if you guys are using Turbo C, make sure you guys write void over here. Otherwise if you write int, then you need to make sure that you specify a return type also. Since we have not done that yet, so you guys just write void as it doesn't return anything, so there will be no error. I'm using int because of my IDE. So let's write our code. You guys can see I have declared 5 variables. These 4 variables will be for the 4 digits, and this variable is for adding them. And now let's write our code. Printf enter a 4-digit number. Now let's scan it. For scanning we use scanf, and we'll write %d since we want to scan one number only, and then we'll write and a. Now our code is we'll a equals to %10, then update a again by, let me just copy it and I'll explain it to guys once we have written down the code. C, here will come D. Doing sum of this is A plus B plus C plus D, then printf sum is, you can write sum is equal to %d, and then we'll write the variable storing the sum s, and then we'll write get ch. Now let me first run it and show you guys. 1 2 3 4, so you can see it gives the sum as 10. So what is happening here is we will store a number 1 2 3 4 in A, and this number will be divided by 10. So percent sign gives us the remainder, so 4 will get stored in B. Similarly, we'll then modify A, that is, we'll change the A. So this will now contain 1 2 3 4 divided by 10 will give us 1 2 3. So this will contain 4, and now this will contain 1 2 3. So after again repeating the same process, we will get 3 over here, then similarly we'll get uh, 12 over here, then again we'll get uh, 2 over here, then uh, again we'll get 1 over here. Now you can see that 1, 2, 3 and 4, if we'll add them together, they'll give us 4. So if our number was 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll get the sum as 10. Thank you everyone.